So to load stock quantities on this system, you're gonna press on stocks. Then you're gonna have these options here on the left hand side. So stock in, that's for loading stock. Stock out, that's for taking out damaged stock. Stock adjust, that's your stock taking. So we're gonna start with stock in. So you're gonna press on stock in, and then you're gonna search for the item that you're loading into stock. So you press on the search button here, and then let's say cold drink, right? And then from there you're gonna type in how much you're loading into stock. So for example, we'll say 100 bottles, and then from there you're gonna press on the tick, and then it will print out a little confirmation slip on the printer. Then to go out, you just press on the orange arrow, and then you should see your current stock levels. And then for stock out, it's the same steps. You're gonna press on stock out, you select the item you want to remove from stock, so you're gonna press on search button, let's say cold drink here, and then maybe let's say 2 bottles have been damaged. You punch in 2, and then you're gonna press on the tick, on the green tick here, and then the printer will print a confirmation slip. To go out, press on the orange arrow, and then it will show you what was taken out and how much is your current stock, right? And then the last one is your stock adjust, which is your stock take. So you're gonna press on stock adjust, then you're gonna search for the item you just counted. So you're gonna press on there, and then press on the item. From there on the system, it will show you what you should have, and maybe let's say in our case we counted that we have 200. Then you press on the tick here, it will print out a confirmation slip. Then you press on the orange arrow to go out, and then on there it will show you what you currently have and how many are missing. In this case, 12.